Hello, my name is Zubair Mukarram Hussain. I am from Daffodil Institute of IT in Bangladesh. This video will demonstrate the eSupervision system, which is a part of our assignment in enterprise web software development. As you can see, this is my login page. First, I will log in as an administrator and show you what we have for this video. Here, this is my home page for the administrator. Here you can see the navigation bar at the top. This site is responsive. As you can see, if I if I decrease the resolution of the browser, it changes the content. For the better view for this video, I will continue with the desktop view. Okay, as you can see, this is the navigation bar, and we have a notification dashboard over here showing some information like total number of messages interacted in this system, the number of unallocated students, students with no interaction. These are on the dashboard. There are other reports under this tab. We will show you later. We have users where you can add new users or see all the users in this system. Here is all the users, because this column will tell you whether the user is an administrator, a supervisor, a second mark, or a student. Then we have allocation part. Here we have two different type of allocation, one single mode and a bulk mode. In a single mode, a single student is allocated to a supervisor or a second marker, and in a bulk mode, a maximum of 10 students can be allocated to a supervisor or a second marker. Then we have view other users profile. Here the administrator has the authority to access other users dashboard. Like if they like if they choose the type supervisor from the top, and we are not at that tab here. First we have to choose the role. Like if I choose a student, then all the students in the list will come over here. We have to choose any of the name we want to access. Then we click on this button. The system will go to that user's dashboard, and you can have all the access over there. Then we have reports. Here we have number of reports over here, like number of messages, average number of messages for supervisors. Then we have students without supervisor and or with the second marker, students with no interaction. Then at last we have the user, where it is the user can edit a profile or change password, and the login itself. So we will log out from here, and next we will log in as a supervisor. Before we log in, I just want to tell that supervisor's outlook and second marker's outlook is almost the same. Not almost, it's actually the same. So we will show you just one. The functionalities are also same. So this is the home page for supervisor. You can also see the notification dashboard on the front page, the number of unread messages, number of coming up meetings, and the number of pending submissions. And at the bottom you will see all the list of students allocated to this supervisor. The number is also mentioned, how many students does this supervisor have. In all submissions, you will see all the submissions the students will upload. If a supervisor clicks on one of these, the file will be downloaded. To provide a mark or a comment, the supervisor has to go to this tab, and here you can see there is a button called set mark and comment. Here you can see another thing, that the button is not on every student, because only these two students have submitted their assignments, other have not. If the students do submit their assignment, the button will appear here, and the supervisor can set mark or comment. So if you click on this one, you'll have this page where you can put the number, comment, and when you put submit, it will update on that table. Then we have meeting. You have two options in the meeting. View all meeting. This will show you all the meetings you have been and you will going to be. So all the meetings are here. Each meetings can you can view the details or update it or put some outcomes. If the meeting has finished and you have something to put on into it, you can create new meetings. You have to put the date, time, agenda, and you just have to fill up the form and save. This will go to that list then, and you will see one thing, that it will only have the list of people who are allocated in the same group. You cannot send a meeting message to anyone you like. Only the person who are allocated is going to be in this list. Then we have the message option. It is similar to any other message option, like you have a compose, new message, then you have inbox, send messages. So there is nothing much to look at. Then we have a blog. Here you'll see something interesting. This is all the blog list we have in the system. Sorry, we don't have much at the moment, but I have put on 2 for this video. You'll see that there is a button called update blog post. That means this blog is created by this user. Only the creator of the blog can update the blog. Other users can only view it and put comment on it. Here's the full view of the blog, and here you can put any comment. There's one other thing about blog, is the blog is public, so all the users in this system can view and comment on this blog. This is done because it is good for a university to communicate with each other. The more they communicate, the more they share their ideas, it is good for the environment. And then again we have the user options. Is the same thing for all: edit profile, change password, and log out. So we'll log out from here. We will not log in as a second marker, because as I said before, it is the same thing as supervisor. So we'll log in as a student. Here you have the home page for a student. I'm sure you have noticed that all the users have different outlooks and different dashboards, because different users have different requirements. To meet up those requirements, the dashboard has changed. For instance, you can see for the student that the only dashboard box they have is the number of activities they have been in this system till now. So the details will be in this list. So as you can see, there is only 2 activities. You can see there is 2 lines. So the more number increases, the activity details will be seen over here. If a student wants to submit their project, you have to go to this tab. You have to choose the file, click submit. But before you do, you have to read this, because only PDF, Word file, and zip file can be uploaded, and it has to be within 50 MB. Nothing above 50 which can be uploaded. So if you go to view profile next, you will see all the files which was uploaded. Here you can see just one, but also yes, sorry for the delay. You can as a student, they can upload as many files they want, but the file which is uploaded at last, that is the only file which will be assessed by the teacher. So the student has to be careful about submitting the last file. I have explained the meeting and message and blog part before, so it is the same thing over here as well, so I will not go through it. And the user part, you just have to log out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll get all the information you need. If you need details, all the designing part, all the programming part, the database designing are on in the document. Please read it, and thank you very much for viewing this video again. Have a good day.